Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by declaring a clear intent for each channel, project, function, or discussion. Once decided, create the channel type that matches access needs, standard for whole teams, private for select members, shared for cross-tenant work. Make sure to apply a consistent naming pattern and assign at least one owner immediately. Then add essential tabs, files, planner, a pinned doc. This prevents chaos later and makes collaboration predictable from day one. Once channels exist, structure them to support workflow stages and minimize noise. Create threads per task or topic so history is searchable, and use tabs like Planner or OneNote to keep resources at hand. Use tags for role-based alerts and at channels sparingly. Too many pings reduce responsiveness. Configure moderation if discussions need oversight, and set channel default reply behavior to keep conversations threaded. This keeps work organized and reduces duplicated questions across channels. To finish, maintain channels proactively. Archive or hide ones that are inactive, review tabs and connectors, and audit membership and permissions on a regular cadence. Make sure owners remove obsolete integrations and update pinned resources so users find current information. If problems arise, first confirm the user is a channel member, verify the channel type matches intended access, and check connector or app permissions. If messages or files are missing, use the team's settings and activity logs to trace what changed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.